Hi, my name is Roman Chip. I'm a retired music educator here from Las Cruces Public Schools, and currently I have a private saxophone studio, and I'll be playing today and demonstrating the New Mexico All-State Etudes. The first one we're going to work on and talk about is on page 4, it's Etude number 7, Largo, from the 48 Famous Studies by Ferling for saxophone and oboe. It's a slow piece. The metronome marking is quarter note equal 56 to 66. Myself, I've been practicing it in an eighth note beat. So I've been setting the metronome between 92 and 112, around there, and I keep that steady eighth note beat pattern going throughout. It has a few tricky little things. It has some trills. There's for instance, on measure 1, the first full measure, there's a half note trill. I've practiced that a few times with no trill, no grace note, until I get a good solid feeling of how the rhythm goes. Then I go ahead and add in the trills and the grace notes. I'm really careful about breathing where it says to breathe and try and keep those phrases correct. The eighth notes are going to be felt like quarters, like a click on the metronome. And then the 16ths, they're going to be 2 16ths per click. There's one trill in particular. It's on the last line on the second measure. You trill a high C to D. And what I use is the middle E flat palm key to do the trill. That seems to work better than the actual D key. The end, the second to the last measure, it has slurred triplets with staccato markings, and for those, I go ahead and I tongue those and I push air through to make it sound like it's really moving forward. For this etude, you want to have a good, steady, lyrical vibrato, and really try and exaggerate the dynamic markings.